Oh, hello, dude.
Hello, Walter.
Bon appetit, dude.
Oh, it's not for me.
Ah, so, who's it for?
It's for,
For who?
forgotten what it's called.
What's what called, dude?
You know, our friend.
What friend?
You know, the furry, hairy one with 4 legs.
4 legs?
4 legs.
4 legs. Ah, 4 legs!
How could I have forgotten? Walter?
Here, dude. I brought you a table.
A table?
Yes, a table has 4 legs.
Ah, right. It has 4 legs, but it isn't hairy.
No, it isn't hairy.
And what I'm looking for has 4 legs and is hairy.
Hairy.
Yes.
Ah, hairy! Hairy!
Could I have forgotten?
Here, dude.
Huh?
I brought you a broom.
A broom?
Yes. Look. It's got hairs. It's really, really, really hairy.
Oh, yes, right. It's hairy. But what I'm looking for is hairy.
And has 4 legs as well.
And it has a tail.
What? It has a tail? A tail?
Now, finally, Walter will bring me our friend and he'll eat what I've prepared for him.
Hey, dude, I brought you a kite. Yes,
A kite?
yes, look, it has a tail.
Right, it has a tail. But what I'm looking for has a tail.
Oh, and it's hairy.
Yes, and it has 4 legs.
Oh, I wonder what it could be.
Oh, I've got an idea. I'll draw you what I'm thinking of.
Yippee! Dude has an idea. Dude has an idea. That looks like Donny the puppy.
Oh, yes, Donny the puppy. That's what I'm looking for, our Donny.
Oh, Donny the puppy.
Yes.
Donny? Yes. Wait here. I'm bringing Donny. Donny. Dude, I can't find Donny
Huh?
anywhere. Hey, Donny.
Donny!
Sweet Donny. Hey, bon appetit, Donny.
Bon
See you,
appetit!
kids.
Bye!